Stress does not end when situation ends now here. Meeting ends but body still holds stress inside. Brain keeps stress active, even after events end. Brain does not switch stress off quickly at all. Even when things look normal, stress still stays. Body stays in survival mode without clear end. Mind feels busy at night, tired during daytime. Nothing seems wrong, but something feels off. Stress ends only when brain feels safe again. Safety signal helps brain turn stress response off. Most people never realize this hidden brain truth. Brain has built-in switches to control stress. Stress can drop faster than most people think. Not in weeks, not even in days. Stress can drop. Sometimes stress can drop within just few hours. Stress is not feeling only, it is biological state. Brain releases chemicals when stress begins inside. Cortisol and adrenaline increase during stress time. These chemicals prepare body to survive quickly. Heart rate increases and focus becomes sharper. But here is the problem most people overlook now. Modern stress is mental, constant and unfinished. Stress response stays active and never shuts down. You feel stuck, not fully calm, and not panicking. Brain is waiting for one important safety signal that clearly says you are safe now. Here without signal, stress remains switched on inside. People try deep breathing, but miss real trigger. Deep breathing alone does not relax brain fully. The real calming switch is longer, slow exhale. Long EGAX. Inhale activates calming nervous system. Inhale 4 seconds, exhale 6 to 8 seconds. Few minutes can start lowering stress hormones. Brain reads slow exhale as danger has passed. Brain constantly tracks light to regulate timing. Natural light helps control internal body clock. Light entering eyes recalibrate stress signals. Even 10 minutes outside can improve stress. Brain interprets environment as safe and normal. Stress prepares body for action and response. Modern stress rarely leads to physical movement. Stress cycle remains incomplete. Without movement, light movement helps complete stress response loop. Brain sees movement as situation handled now. Brain processes thousands of signals every second. Notifications, noise screens create constant overload. Constant input keeps nervous system slightly active. Reducing input allows brain to shift into calm, silence and stillness. Send safety signals inside. Less stimulation reduces stress signaling in brain. Even mild dehydration can increase stress levels. Body reads dehydration as a possible survival threat. Cortisol rises when body senses lack of hydration. Drinking water sends calming signal to the brain. Hydration signals stability, safety and balance inside. Humans are wired to regulate stress through connection. Talking to someone can quickly reduce stress levels. Familiar voice activates safety circuits in brain. Connection signals safety and lowers stress hormones. Stress levels drop naturally when safety is detected. Brain constantly scans environment for safety signals. Clutter, noise, OS increase mental load silently. Cognitive load increases without you noticing it. Small environment changes can shift brain perception. Opening window and light can calm your system. Brain constantly asks one silent question, always, am I safe? Here is the question brain asks often. When answer is yes, body finally begins to relax. Stress is not just mental, it is biological state. Your body and brain are deeply connected systems. Biology listen closely to signals you constantly send. Signals come from breath, body, and environment. Small habits send powerful safety messages. Inside you do not need to control everything to feel calm. Guide your brain gently back toward safe state. If this helped you understand your mind better, share this with someone who might need it today. Calm is sometimes just one simple signal away.